to awesome hunt with my nephew, and then kind of pulled up goose eggs. Filmed it for my brother for the giant egg we were going after. My dad shot a really big one. The property we're sitting at right now, we call it the wetland. And after he shot it, he saw another big one come through. So we're out here just camping out and seeing if that guy's still cruising this giant CRP area. Titus came out because he's still got a doe tag left, and we're gonna see if we can't get something going. It's a beautiful morning. We just had a giant cold front move in. Things are looking pretty good. I'm gonna try to get her to stop.
No.
If you've got her in your sight's good. No, it's too late. It's too late. Shoot. That's alright. It wasn't your fault. She had smelled us. had come through this same area about a half hour ago, and then this really nice buck came cruising right through the same area. But he winded us because, of course, they were coming from downwind. And so I took a little bit of a longer shot than I wanted to. And I shot, and I have no idea if I hit the deer. Because he didn't take off or anything like that. He just kind of kept walking. So then I shot again. And again, he didn't act like whether anything happened or not. So I'm like, am I just shooting over the back of this deer? I have no idea what's happening. So I shot again. And same thing, no reaction at all. And I'm like, I'm just sitting here missing this deer. I don't know what the heck's going on. Titus says I'm talking too much. Listen, you. So we're gonna get down here. We've given him some time. We're gonna go see if we can't find this guy because he looks pretty nice. Never seen this deer before, but I'm pretty excited. We're gonna go find him. Over here, buddy. I see him. It's big. Go that way. There's land right there. Holy cow. Dude, that is a really nice deer. Titus, what do you think, man? Look at that deer. That is just gnarly. Look at all the junk on that deer. Holy smokes. Well, guys, this is awesome. This deer is one gnarly old dude. And look at the size of this thing. And look at all this, the brow tines and all this junk he's got on there. And check this guy out. He got this ear. This ear is shredded to, I mean, it's half of, look at how much of his ear is missing. It's just shredded to bits from being a gnarly old fighter. This guy, holy smokes, what a deal. So we figured out what happened is he was quartering away some. I hit him back. So the first shot did hit him. It was just liver. So it was probably liver and one lung. He actually didn't go very far at all from where I shot him. He probably only went a total of 25 yards from where he first got hit. And yeah, good grief. Man, that's a big deer. Come on. What's up?
Daddy said I shouldn't come because it was too cold.
That's true. Well, it was going to be really cold this morning. I didn't want you to be freezing, but it was worth it, huh?
Yeah.
Man, getting a big buck with you, buddy, give me some knuckles, man. That is the best part about all this. Man, look at that deer. All right, we're going to get that thing field dressed and load it up. Let's go get the truck.
If Daddy didn't shoot it, it would have gone up to be like an 18-pointer.
An 18-pointer? How many points does it have now?
14.
Woo! Look out. All right, let's go.
Lena!
Wait, let me put you in speakerphone.
Daddy shot a 14-pointer.
Guys, what do you think? You see the brow tines on that thing? They're incredible. Eloise, what do you think, girl? You excited about that? Hey, Bobo, where are you? What do you think? Are you still wearing your jammies? Yeah?
Bobo, look, it's a huge ear.
Isn't that?
Look at his ear.
His ears tore half off from fighting.